May Reginald sa bed. May sariling kape, may sariling club. Ito.
Welcome home.
Ito. Kung dito ito.
We just wanted to show you a rental place in Kitty Room, Kidapawan.
Saan tayo man?
Kidapawan.
So it's 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, and this is just the all-purpose room, kitchen, and where you can do your cooking, just countertop stove type deal. You don't have much of a backyard, but you don't. Less to take care of. You need a CR. It's pretty basic. You got a pot. You got a water source there, so you do the tabo bath. But again, it's is just a rental, a place to stay until
Cost 3,000.
3,000 pesos, which would be
Less than 100.
right,
Like $60, $70
yeah, 60 or
a month.
So, what do you think? Check outside too. It's like in the woods almost. There's a neighborhood dog or something. I'm thinking it was dark, but I got my sunglasses on. So this building has 4 units, looks like. 4 the same kind of units, but not very much around. Neighbors are going to be pretty quiet there.
Yeah, Michael said wants to.
So you just use the electric fan here. The windows aren't made for like sticking the air conditioner or anything in them. So, but it feels pretty cool actually. So you're under a lot of trees and nice shaded areas. So this is could be yours if the price is right. Anything else we need to add?
No.
Nope. So you get your own private parking area.
Right.
It's like the neighbors like private plans. Alright. Well, thank you for watching. Check out the Rileys. Remember to subscribe to us for more. And hit that like button.